me give you a few keys to profitability for your wound care center. Track your outpatient revenue by Medicare allowable. Since your charges are set up based upon your CPT codes, you can download your Medicare fee schedules and get an estimate of how much money you're going to be collecting. Most of our patients in a wound care center are over the age of 65, so that their insurance will be typically Medicare or a Medicare managed plan. By tracking the Medicare allowable, you'll get a clear picture of how much you're going to collect. Remember that what you charge is what your department's gross charges are, and typically the hospital will be reimbursed between 8 and 20% of their gross charges, depending on the payer mix of your hospital and their markup policy. The only way to really know if your department's making a profit is to take your assumed collection amounts minus your overall expenses. Next, track your Medicare allowable per visit. If you're tracking your average per visit amount and you start to see large swings, you might actually have a charging issue, or you might have some kind of issue associated with the level of care that you're providing.
Like and subscribe to be notified on new content.